Hi everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponer. So today I am here to talk about something very near and dear to my heart, and it is coupon fraud. And coupon fraud is so important. And it's very controversial. What is coupon fraud? What does coupon fraud mean? I know coupon fraud, in my book, is any type of misuse of a coupon. Or fake coupons or falsely distributing coupons. That all is in the globe of couponing fraud. That is coupon fraud there. So yeah, that's really important. So let's talk about coupon fraud. The number one way that I think that people get caught up in is glittering. And if you don't know what glittering is what happens when someone uses a coupon on a product because it scans, even though it's not the right product, but it scans because it's the right brand or the right manufacturer, the right barcode or something. They'll decode it and figure out what it'll work on, and that's what they'll do. So the most recent one I saw was people were going around getting Colgate twin pack toothbrushes at Family Dollar. They were $2. We had a $2 off any Colgate 360 twin pack coupon. They're going using it on the Colgate Plus because, oh, it scans, so we're going to use it because it scans. No, that's not what the coupon says. You have to go off the words. Colgate 360 twin pack or multi-pack toothbrush. Didn't say on Colgate Plus. It said on Colgate 360. Literally. And people were doing it all over the place. And cashiers are doing it because they're not reading it, I guess. I don't know. And people are taking advantage of the cashiers. And it really makes me mad that people are out there doing that. Because it's not fair. It isn't fair. I don't care if it scans. Just because it scans doesn't mean it's right. That's it. That's coupon. That's the first main thing of coupon fraud. That is definitely the most popular level of coupon fraud that I see is glittering. All the time. Like seriously, all the time. So glittering, it's not just Colgate. I've seen people do it on some Simply Lemonade at ShopRite. I saw an Instagram post. This lady was like, use this expired coupon that says 75 cents on Simply Watermelon. Go use it on the Simply Lemonade. It'll double and you'll get it for 50 cents. It says, yes, it scans. Yeah, it scans on trial size Dove. Yeah, it scans on... Since when does that matter? If it scans, it doesn't mean it's right. If it says it's not the right product, then guess what? It's not the right product. If any of you watch this and you are glitterers, I really would urge you to stop. I doubt you're going to listen to me, but this channel is never going to justify glittering. The manufacturer clearly puts that on there for a reason. If it worked on any Colgate multi-pack, don't you think it would have said any Colgate multi-pack? So, coupons are a privilege, not a right. And I hate it when people try to act like they need to do it to get more stuff. I have a basement filled with stockhouse stuff down there that was got by following the limits and following the verbiage on the coupons. So there is literally no reason to glitter. To say you want to get more stuff, that's stupid. If you just are doing deals, I only shop at 2 stores, literally. So if you are couponing the right way, you don't need to glitter. You get so much stuff the right ethical way. If you feel like you need to glitter, I don't get why. I really don't. That's the main level of fraud, is taking a coupon on a product, using it on the wrong product just because it scans. It's crazy. It's crazy. I can't believe people really do that. Okay. Number 2 is distributing coupons that you're not authorized to. So let's pull out a coupon and look at it. Because there are coupons. Okay, so I bet it's on here. Okay. Let's find a good one that actually states what I'm wanting it to say. There we go. Okay, this Kellogg's cereal coupon, it says, coupon may not be bought, reproduced, transferred, or sold. So, yeah, it clearly does say you are not supposed to be transferring or selling your coupons. I know people get around that. But technically, if you're going around reproducing them especially, that is fraud. If you're copying an IP, that is fraud. If you're copying a printable coupon, you are literally committing fraud, and you can be prosecuted for that because you can never copy a printable coupon. That's not allowed.
If you're going around making up fake coupons, that's definitely something that will result in prosecution, because that's fraud. And there, if you get on YouTube, there was actually a coupon ring going on in Arizona. I saw that on YouTube. A coupon fraud ring. They were making up coupons. People were paying to get into their little coupon club, and they'd send them all these coupons for crazy amounts. They got busted. Like, they got in big trouble. So you definitely, that's fraud, reproducing your own coupons. And it even says on there, on the coupons, any other use constitutes fraud. If you don't follow those coupons, you are committing fraud. So, I understand everyone messes up. I've gone through and accidentally used a coupon on the wrong product before, but it wasn't intentional. There are people who do this as intentional acts because they know it scans, and then they'll go all over social media telling other people to do it. And my thing that gets me is other people trust the Instagrammer or the YouTuber or whatever, and they'll just go do it because they didn't read it themselves. Always fact check your stuff. Trust your instincts. If you think something's too good to be true, it probably is. So try to trust your instincts and to not do anything wrong. Fraud is not, it's not worth it to get a couple extra products. It really isn't, when you think about what it's going to do to you in the end. So that's pretty much coupon fraud. There's not that much to it. Glittering is fraud. Misusing coupons is fraud. And especially reproducing and transferring coupons are fraud. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the coupon fraud video. That's all I have for now, and thank you all so much for watching.